So how do you access the Apple iCloud from your Android phone and get all of the videos and photos, including the hidden albums, right? So a lot of people might be interested in that, and this is how you can do this. So on your Android phone, you will need to open up a web browser of your choice. A lot of people use Google Chrome or any other one, it doesn't really matter. Into the URL, you will type in iCloud.com and you will use your Apple ID credentials, which includes the email as login and the password as well to sign in. So obviously you need to have access to all of that stuff, and you might be asked for additional verification if you have the two-factor authentication enabled. But once you get inside, this is the page that you'll see. You have the ability to browse through your emails, notes, some other things as well, including photos. So just tap on the photos, get inside, and you can browse all of the pictures. But what you can also do is to click on this little button in the top left corner, which will make the side panel slide out. And this lets you switch to different albums and like recent favorites and also hidden album. So you can click on that and see all of your hidden photos and videos like right here. You can select them, unhide them, or even download them to your offline storage of your phone. So this is how you can access them. Of course, you can browse your entire gallery like the regular albums as well, not only the hidden ones, but this is how you can get all of the access to all of the stuff that you have. So let me know below in the comments if this is the thing that you are going after. Subscribe for more tutorials and guides like this one, and I'll see you later in the next video.